Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, as usual, I am here today with another set of amazing products. This time it's hair care. Well, I've been facing hair fall lately and I wanted something Ayurvedic to try on my hair to control hair fall. So I came across this amazing brand called Traya. They send you products as per your needs. So I have got the whole range of Traya with me, and I am going to tell you about all the products which I've received according to my hair type, according to the kind of texture I have, everything. So stay tuned if you would like to know about the products and the results thereafter. So I've got my hands on Traya's scalp oil, which helps in stimulating hair follicles. And this is a mixture of amazing essential oils like Motia Rosha, Lang Lang, camphor oil with a mix of goat milk. And this is super for your hair and helps in hair growth. It's very easy to put. This is great to control dandruff, graying of your hair, giving you soft and lustrous hair. So if you can see, I've been having this issue since a while. I mean, my hair was literally falling and I got my hands on this. It is so much better right now. I can't even tell you. Can you see the smaller hair? They've actually started growing. My hair was literally falling and I'm literally drooling over this product because this is super nice. It gives you thick hair, removes thinning of your hair, giving your hair and scalp the nourishment it needs. So this is by far one of the best products from Traya I have received, and I'm using this since almost like a month now. But for better results, you should at least use it for 3 months. That's where you will see the results. I'm already seeing the results, but I think it will be better if you use it for a longer period of time. This is very easy to use. So this is how the product is. I'm gonna put it for you. I've already used so much of it. It's hardly any left. So this is the product. All you have to do is take it on your fingers and gently massage it on your scalp. Use it 2 or 3 times a week or as prescribed by your Traya doctor. There are doctors online, so you can just take recommendations from them and you will be good to go. Next product which we have is this Traya Hair Growth Serum. This is a breakthrough product which is really good in revitalizing your hair and contains redicinal and caffeine and biotin, all of them which are really great for your hair. This is a growth formula which is really amazing. The all natural plant-based ingredient redicinal helps in enhancing hair growth of your cell, and also it is so natural. It encourages the growth at cellular level and enhances body protein level, leading to thicker and shinier hair. The caffeine and biotin together are a great DHT blocker and enhances keratin of your hair. Also has a pump here, so it's so easy. You just put it in, take some drops and put it on your roots, just on your roots, which is so good that guys, all of this together, the serum, the oil, the tablets, the shampoo, which I'm going to talk about, the whole process is so amazing that my hair is feeling super great right now. I am really happy with no side effects. This Redicinal serum is the most safest serum for your hair. So do give it a try. What are you waiting for? We have these tablets, Hair Rust from Traya. These are herbal tablets, really great for your hair growth and also get shinier, fuller hair externally. So this is what it is all about. I'm going to tell you what all benefits do you get. This improves your scalp, helps in hair regrowth, improves your dryness of the hair, and also this is not only good for your hair, it is also great for your immunity. If you feel fatigue, if you have anxiety, this really controls it. All you have to do is take 2 tablets daily and I think you're good to go. Or you can ask your Traya doctors who are available online, how do you have to take it. Hair Rust is made up of Shatwari, Ashwagandha, Arjuna and many more herbs. So anything herbal which is good for hair is super good for me. So as you can see, it also says 101. That means you have to take 2 tablets every day. This is how I'm taking it. This one bottle has 120 tablets, and I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. This is how the tablet looks. It's very, very nice. It is herbal. It has so many nice herbs in it, so that you get good health as well as good hair, shiny hair. So this is a great shampoo, guys, because it has niacinamide, pea sprout, biotin, and all the good things which a shampoo should have. I'm really happy. It removes the dryness from your, improves hair growth. Also has all the natural ingredients one needs for their hair growth. Also, it has all the natural nutrients and antioxidants which your hair need for regrowth. It also protects your hair from roots so that there is no further damage in future. So this is one of the best shampoos I've used by far. This is all natural. It is really good for healthy and strong hair. So I'm gonna show you how the shampoo looks. See? The best part is it doesn't have any fragrance. So when you don't have any fragrance, that means that the shampoo or the product is natural, and this shampoo is really natural, guys. This one bottle is 300 rupees. You can invest a little bit in your hair for sure so that you get good hair, and using a good shampoo is very important for your hair. So shampoo and a conditioner are the most important part, as you guys know. I really believe that if you use a shampoo which is not harmful for your hair, it will really take you a long way, will protect your hair, and will give you nice luscious locks. So this shampoo really gives the essential nutrients hair needs for hair growth, rejuvenation, to make your hair shiny, and also removes dull and dryness from your hair. So my vote goes to this shampoo. My final word on this amazing range by Traya. The best part, they ask you about your scalp and the texture of your hair, which is really great for anybody because they actually make a whole package according to your hair type and not something which is just one for all. Secondly, it is very nice because each product has its own amazing ingredients. They're all herbal, they don't harm your hair, they are 100% safe, and also they don't have any ingredient which is harmful for your hair, which is a must. Thirdly, I have myself seen the results. So a big thumbs up from my side to Traya. They are making amazing product. Last but not the least, these are really pocket friendly, guys. The whole kit I think ordered for like 2,000 bucks. I think something like this for your hair and your health is very important. Not only that, the tablets also are really good for boosting immunity and removing fatigueness and everything. So I think you should definitely invest in your good health. That's it in today's video, guys. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below what kind of videos do you want me to create, and I'm going to see you next time.